Has your physician been any help at all when it comes to advising you about what you should eat to help you with your rheumatoid arthritis? If you're like most patients, the answer is a disappointing no. I can help and explain to you what you should not be eating, so stay tuned and we'll get started. I'm Dr. David Dahlman for AskTheHolisticDoctor.com. I can assure you your diet is contributing to your rheumatoid arthritis, also known as RA. You probably have already figured that out. You just can't figure out exactly what contributes. In my clinic, dietary changes along with all natural supplements are the foundation of my protocol to help my patients conquer RA. The cause of rheumatoid arthritis is claimed to be unknown by conventional medicine because they always look for the same reason it occurs in everyone and then try to design one pill that will work for everyone. Common sense tells most of us that that's a ridiculous and obviously failed concept. In holistic medicine, our belief is that these conditions occur for reasons that are unique to each patient, though it expresses itself with the same symptoms in many patients. Inflammation is caused by the immune system component to this puzzle, and looking there, we will find the reason you are suffering and what to do to end the condition. Okay, we know this is an immune system involved condition, so the question is, what is causing the immune system to start attacking our tissue, thereby causing the symptoms we have just discussed? You may be surprised to hear this, and I assure you that your physician might disagree, but food allergies can play a major role. And you can't have food allergies unless you have poor bowel function. Even if you have no gastrointestinal complaints, we will assume you do. These are the two clues we need to understand before we begin a treatment program for rheumatoid arthritis. Treatment for any inflammatory autoimmune condition must provide support to the gastrointestinal system and the identification of food allergies. The basic premise behind this discussion is a condition called leaky gut syndrome. This occurs when you have altered the beneficial bacterial balance, the good bacteria that should be living in your bowels, and then in time the chemistry of the bowels change and inflammation begins. Inflamed, the cells that line your gastrointestinal system enlarge and allow undigested food molecules to pass from the inside of the intestines into your bloodstream. In other words, it's leaking. The important part of the story now begins. Once these food molecules are inside your bloodstream, the body doesn't recognize them. The immune system is called into action, antibodies are built, and chemicals are created as part of the immune system response. What I've just described to you is the creation of a food allergy. It is well known that the chemicals created in this response have the ability to inflame tissue, and more specifically to you, can cause the inflammation and deterioration of your joints. But what do you do about it? First, we must provide support to your gastrointestinal system and end the immune system-mediated inflammatory response by removing certain foods from your diet. Read about healing the gastrointestinal system, how food allergies are created, how to arrange a food allergy test, and the all-natural supplements I recommend by visiting my other website, drdalman.com, and downloading a report I've written about Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Yes, I know rheumatoid arthritis isn't Crohn's or colitis, but Crohn's, colitis, and rheumatoid arthritis are all inflammatory and autoimmune conditions. Treatment for one addresses the others and also solves the gastrointestinal involvement. And that's the missing key and why you are having such a hard time getting rid of rheumatoid arthritis. It's their similarities that I address in this report, and the same natural treatment plan works for them all. You can also find information about the specific food allergy test I suggest by visiting AskTheHolisticDoctor.com and clicking on food allergy. Don't suffer from the pain and discomfort of rheumatoid arthritis. There are all-natural alternatives for you. I'm Dr. David Dahlman for AskTheHolisticDoctor.com. To view more videos about holistic approaches to other chronic health conditions and read my opinionated blog about many health topics in the news, please visit AskTheHolisticDoctor.com.